Guys, my name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I run a travel blog called Where To Now Jenny, where we talk about cruising, packing, organization, tips and tricks, stuff like that. So if you like content like that or you like videos like this, I'd love it if you would consider sticking around, maybe subscribe. And now that that's out of the way, let's get into the video. It is finally that time. It is time to pack for our trip on the MSC Preziosa. We are flying to Frankfurt, Germany, embarking on the Preziosa in Hamburg. Then we go to Paris, London, Amsterdam, and Bruges, Belgium. I have been waiting to go to Paris all my life. So literal goosebumps right now. Like when I say it, it doesn't seem real that I am really going to Paris. I've been to London before. My husband and my stepdad haven't. My mom is going with us too. She has been to London, but other than that, everything's new to me. I don't know. It's just so amazing. I love trips like this. I love exploring new places. I love going places I've never been before. So that is like, it's just, I just can't put it into words. It's just amazing. So now it's time to pack. The first thing I like to do when I start to pack is get out my packing lists and sort of mold them into the trip that I'm going on. So like if it's a hot weather destination, if it's a cold weather destination, I will link in the description box below the blog post where I have my packing list. They're in Word format, but if you need another format, if you can't open Word, just let me know. I'm happy to help. But those are pretty much like everything I take for every trip. Like some things, like if it says coat and you're going somewhere hot, you don't need a coat. I'll just delete it. But other than that, I mean, they're pretty on the money. Like I just say outfits. Like I don't delineate between like I need a tank top or I need a sweater. Just an outfit. So that is the first thing I do. The second thing I do is go onto Pinterest and I make a secret board and I just call it, like this one I called springtime outfits. So I will put in there, like I'll just go into Pinterest, I'll search travel outfits. I have a board on Pinterest that is all travel outfits, or I will search for new ones and I'll just put a bunch of those into a board. And then I sort of have an idea of the color scheme that I'm going for when I'm packing, and then even like what I'm thinking about packing. So then when I go to actually pack, I have an idea of what I need to pull from my closet. And then after that, I will check the weather. Hold on. I make myself just a simple little, I mean, it's nothing fancy. I just write down the dates we're going places and then where we'll be. And then in pencil, pencil is the key, I write down the weather forecast for that day. So I kind of know what the weather's gonna be. I don't wanna pack a sweater if it's gonna be 80 degrees. I don't wanna pack shorts if it's gonna be 60. I do this in pencil because I start checking about 20 days out. I use the AccuWeather app and I go to the extended forecast. I think it does 15 extra days. So then I will go through there and I will start writing down the forecast for the day. Now, that being said, it's changed 3 times since I first did this. It was saying rain every day, then it was saying sunny every day. Now it's saying sunny and clouds. So the temperature though has pretty much remained consistent. So that's mostly what I'm looking at. I mean, I'm also looking to see if it's gonna rain. Do I need to take a raincoat? But I'm going to London, so I'm taking a raincoat. But I think that's it for the like first things I do. Now let's go downstairs and I will show you the actual packing process. Next, I have this clothing rack that I pull out and then I start putting on this rack anything that I think I'm gonna need. And then I put it by outfit. So like this is an outfit and then those jeans go with those 3 shirts and then so on and so forth. These are not all my coats. This is my coat, it's my husband's raincoat, and this is my raincoat. And then I'll just hang off, like that is my bathing suit and cover up. And then I hang over here any like accessories I think I'm gonna need. It's my reading glasses, sunglasses, cruise lanyard, that sort of thing. Then down here I have shoes that I think I'm taking. 1 pair of shoes for the plane, then an extra pair of tennis shoes, flip-flops for the spa, and then those are like my waterproof shoes for if it comes like a really torrential downpour. And then right now I've stuffed it with all my socks. And then over here I have, this basket is full of socks, underwear, a hat, my husband's socks and underwear, his coat, his puffer coat, my puffer coat, and then underneath there is also my pajamas. All right, so now I've folded everything. These are jeans and leggings, all my shirts. See, as you can see, like I'm taking, everything is really neutral, so I can wear whatever coat I want without clashing. This is my raincoat. That is my little jacket. I might wear that on the plane if I have to. This pile is my swimsuit cover-up and my pajamas. Then my puffer coat, a hat, and then this packing cube is all my bras, all my underwear, and my swimsuit. And over here for my husband is the same thing. That is his raincoat. This is his puffer jacket. These are all of his shirts, bathing suit and pajamas, jeans, and then this packing cube is all of his underwear plus the socks that I couldn't stuff in his extra pair of shoes. Before I keep going, I wanted to give a little disclaimer. We don't eat in the main dining room, so we don't have any need for any fancy dinner clothes like dresses or suits or anything. So I would think that if you were also going to pack for those situations, that you would need to take more clothes than this. So now that I've got everything laid out on the bed, I'm going to get it all into packing cubes. All right, so I have everything in packing cubes. This is my side, so I have all of my pajamas and jeans, leggings in this one. All of my tops and my swim cover up are in this one. This is again bras, underwear, and my swimsuit. I put shoes in shoe bags, and then this stuff I haven't decided what to do with. These are my two jackets, my puffer coat, and my hat. And over here on my husband's side, same thing. He has two medium packing cubes and then a slim. This is all of his shirts. This one is pajamas, swimsuit, and all of his jeans. This one is again underwear and socks I couldn't fit in his shoes. And then raincoat, puffer coat, and I put his shoes into shoe bags. Now let's see if I can get it all in a suitcase. Okay, I have both suitcases packed. This is my husband, so this is his shirts, underwear and socks, razor, and then his shoes stuffed with more socks. And then in this, I just have some wipes. Then this is my raincoat. I'm just gonna lay it in the middle and zip it up. See if it will fit. And then on this other zipper side, I have his bottoms, then his puffer coat, his raincoat, and then our laundry hamper. And then for my suitcase, these are all my tops. These are my pajamas and my bottoms. And then this side folds over, and then that's just a money belt, my flip-flops, back pain patches, and then some Ziploc bags. Then this side, just everything else. Underwear, bras, socks, shoes, hat, foldable tote bag, and then my hair dryer, some hair clips, laundry bag. My makeup is under there, and then under this hat is my flat iron. And then I do have a few things that wouldn't fit in the carry-ons. I'm just going to put them in my personal item. So like my extra pair of tennis shoes, my puffer jacket, and then our toiletries. And then that's our liquids bag. I was going to put that in our carry-on anyway. Okay, so this is the bag I'm going to use as my carry-on bag. It's the Miller bag from Vera Bradley. I like this bag because it has a slip pocket on the front, but this pocket in the back unzips, and so it becomes a trolley sleeve that you can slide over the handle of your luggage. So first, I have some snacks. You saw these in my Dollar Tree video, and I chose the Honey Nut Cheerios as my snack. My hat, my noise canceling headphones, my seasickness medication, my sunglasses, and my reading glasses. And then I have an eye mask with also some earplugs. And then I have some Kleenex wet wipes and also a few of these Sandy hands. Then in this pocket, I have my Beats headphones for like wireless headphones, and then just some mints. In this pocket, I just have some melatonin that I got at the Dollar Tree. In this pocket, I have a battery charger. Sorry about that, someone was at the door. Then in this pocket I have all of my cruise documents, some extra luggage tag holders, and then this is the thing that I got from the Dollar Tree that's got flight information. Our passports are in here, train, hotel, bus, and all of our cruise documents that I need to have in my hand when we go to embarkation. In this pocket, I just have some little rescue mitts and then some throat relief and a few of these Diet Snapple tea and lemonades. And then in this packet is my travel emergency bag. I will link the video to what from last year that I say everything that's in there. It's pretty much the same stuff. Then I have one of these. You put it over your tray table, excuse me, and then you can put your feet in it and rest your feet. I think it's a really cute idea. Hopefully it makes it a little more comfortable. Then I have my neck pillow that I got last year when we went to Italy. And then this thing I got at TJ Maxx. Has all of our chargers in it and our extra earbuds in case something crazy happens. Then I have my power strip. And then not last, but this is my little camera bag. It's got all my camera equipment, my vlogging camera in it. I'll probably put my GoPro in it before we leave. And then I'll just take this with me when we go on excursions instead of having a whole big bag to carry. And then last but not least, I have another liquids bag because we like to have salads with ranch dressing, and it's been our experience that MSC, especially in Europe, doesn't have ranch dressing. So we're taking our own this year. Don't judge, we like to have salad for lunch. So that is everything that is in my carry-on. Now I'll show you what's in my husband's. Okay, this is the carry-on bag that Mark is gonna be using. It is just a camera bag that I got from Amazon, and I took the camera insert out of it, so it's just one big bag. And it's got a lot of these pockets on the outside, but I don't have anything in them, just so if he needs a place to put his wallet or his boarding pass when he goes through security, then he has a space that he can use. Okay, so in this bag, back here in the laptop section is where I slid our toiletries because it would not fit in either of our suitcases. So that's where that is. Then on the interior of the bag, I have more drink mixes. We are taking drink mixes and just 2 water bottles. They're empty that I got from Walmart. We didn't get the drink package this time, so we're just gonna try to make do and maybe get a soda every once in a while, but mostly just drink water. Then some gum. Then some nuts. These are our favorite. These and the salt and vinegar are our favorites. This is his neck pillow. Then his noise canceling headphones. Then an extra umbrella, $3 at Walmart. Then he also has one of the footrests that we got for Christmas. Then in this back pocket, he has an eye mask and some earplugs. And then he also has some Beats headphones. And then lastly, in his bag is our real liquids bag. So the one that I packed in my toiletries video, and I will link that in the description box below. All right, so that is everything I am packing for 10 days in Europe and a cruise on the MSC Preziosa. If you guys want to follow along on our cruise, then follow me over on Instagram at Where To Now Jenny. That's where I'm going to be posting most of my real-time updates. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.